Finally, somebody else is working on a car around here besides me. So we're in the process of installing the proper Crown Vic Police Interceptor grill. This guy right here, picked up from a feller on eBay for 60 bucks. It's like half of what they normally cost. I guess he had it on his car for a week and decided to get rid of the car. So score. Get all the nuts taken off of there. So there's a row of four nuts and one guide pin. Let's take those off, and then there's a row of clips down across the bottom that hold the bottom of the grill in, and I think we're to the point where we're ready to pop that off of there. So here's the new one. Show where those clips are. And there's 4 clips across the bottom. So we're just going to start those clips. Get those studs started just like that. Get all those studs started, and then I want you to snap the bottom in across the... There you go. That should be that. We'll put all the nuts back on. That looks so much better already. Awesome. So yeah, just a matter of reinstalling all 4 of the nuts. No crazy torque. This gap should suck right up once we put the nuts back on. Much improved already.